Hi, good evening. Today I'll show you how to set up a table for two packs. And I'm making the video at home, so I don't have full set of cutleries and plates. Hope you'll understand. And I'm alone, that's why I don't have anyone to give me assistance. So this video might have some issues. Hope you'll understand that as well. And now I'll start setting up the table. I have everything ready in the kitchen. Now I'll just bring it and I'll set the table. First, I'll place two napkins for the guest. Napkins were already clean and folded, so I didn't do it. After the napkins are done, now I'll place the side plate. Side plate should always be on the left side of the guest. And for butter knives, I'm using chopsticks. After setting up the side plates, now I'll place the cutleries. Cutleries were already wiped, so I'll just place them over the table. Knife should always be on the right side and the fork should always be on the left side. And I have set the cutleries for the main course and for the starter. After placing the cutleries, now I'll place glasses for water. And the glasses should always be on the top of cutleries, mainly the fork. And now my table is set up, so I'll just remove the napkin and I'll just place the main plates. I don't have salt and pepper in my house, so I'm not